Something extraordinary is unfolding this week at Spotify Camp Nou. After 2 days of heavy rain and strong wind alerts slowed operations, construction has returned with serious intensity. The fourth radial beam and compression ring pillar are installed. Corner slat sectors are nearly complete. Sandwich panels have climbed to the first cantilever level. This isn't just recovery, it's acceleration. Today we break down the structural milestone, the façade transformation, and why this moment may signal a decisive shift in the stadium's exterior completion. In the Tribuna sector, activity remains concentrated around the vertical elevator cores. These reinforced concrete towers will house lifts, staircases, and technical systems that drive internal circulation. Crews are visible across multiple scaffold levels, applying white protective coating to structural beams, likely fire and corrosion protection ahead of enclosure. 2 elevated platforms operate within confined structural zones. Staircase beam installation is nearly complete on one side, with final alignment underway. In the commercial diamond areas, the transition from structural work to finishing phases is becoming clear. At the cafeteria diamond, upper glazing zones are insulated and protected under white sheeting. Some glass panels remain staged nearby. The most significant structural milestone comes in the lateral section. The fourth radial beam and compression ring pillar are now installed despite earlier weather delays. This is major progress for the compression ring system, the circular structural spine that will support the vast cantilevered roof. Each radial beam enhances load distribution and reinforces the stadium's geometry. With 4 beams visible, the scale of engineering ambition becomes undeniable. Work will soon advance toward preparation for the 5th beam. Before we continue, make sure to like the video and subscribe to MegaVerse Builds. It's completely free and supports these detailed daily updates. In the south goal, visual transformation is accelerating. Sandwich panel installation has reached the first cantilever level, a crucial vertical milestone. Workers secure panels and tighten permanent anchors as elevated platforms move between bracket lines. The metallic silver finish reflects light and defines the stadium's emerging identity. Concrete panels are secured in lower areas, while upper anchor positions are finalized before installation progresses higher. Corner façade sectors show impressive slat installation progress. Entire upper sections that were previously empty are now almost fully covered. One sector is complete, while another requires only a small number of slats to finish. A truck has delivered additional slats, and the crane remains staged for continuous lifting. The spacing between slats is deliberate, allowing airflow, reducing wind loads, improving thermal behavior, and maintaining the open Mediterranean design philosophy. This façade is engineered to breathe. The north goal continues to attract attention. Although it looks calmer than other areas, progress is ongoing. In the upper façade sections, insulation and decorative trim are installed in several stretches, with a few areas still pending. No new slat anchors are visible at mid-level, but elevated platforms are active, and workers remain present on the upper tiers. The staircase structures appear well advanced and close to the next phase of enclosure work. That wraps up today's tour of Spotify Camp Nou. We've seen slat progress in the corner, sandwich panels advancing in the south goal, structural work on the radial beams in the lateral, elevator shaft activity in Tribuna, and steady movement here in the north goal. Each section is progressing step by step, bringing the stadium closer to its final form. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next update.